Friends, sailors, this is 6 in the morning in Cape Verde night. This is December 1st, and we are finally going out for our navigation test. Inshallah.
After our false start, we finally had our autopilot repaired, so we could move to the nearby island of San Nicolao, 50 miles east, slightly upwind. The navigation was difficult because there is this very strong current between the islands, depending on the tide, but I estimated that we had about 3 knots in front of us. So we had to sail the first 10 miles with the help of the engine going 2.5 knots. After that, it has been a very pleasant sailing. We arrived late afternoon, and there is a very convenient boy camp west of the village where you can moor for 8 euros per night. There are also some nice people living at that buoys. This island is known here for the real land of Creole culture. What I saw is that it looks more African than Mindelo. They speak a strict dialect, and they are as gentle as their neighbors of Sao Vicente, that anyway remains our favorite island here.
Friends, sailors, we are in San Nicolao, Isla de San Nicolao, at Tarrafal, and Tarrafal, that is the island of the famous song from Cesaria Évora, Saudade de San Nicolao. And well, the sailing yesterday was good. Tomorrow we cleaned the hull. Now we had a little problem with the outboard engine that after 1 year was super dirty, so it didn't start. So later we have something to do also for the afternoon. Well, the life of the sailor is nothing but commitment in something. So let's discover here the village.
The village is full of light, is made of small houses and a couple of strange futuristic buildings. Obviously, they made a nice Christmas tree made tropical style. I wonder if Santa Claus might be dressed. It has been a pity not to stay for a tour of the island with the car, but our plan is for the long shot. So, the day after, we left early in the morning, heading back to Mindelo. The sail back was super nice. No current, and the route was easier as the wind was less contrary. On our left there was the island of San Lucia, that is natural reserve. It is not possible to stop by there. I'm anyway seriously considering to come back one day and have a real tour of this archipelago that is beautiful, wild, and full of very nice and polite people.